see there's a lot of air bubble coming, but we're gonna press gas a little bit, maybe to speed up the process a little bit. At 1000. See? A little bit more. A little bit more. All the air bubble must be completely out before we check the heater core again. Let's add more. So what happened, the engine gets hot quickly and start boiling. The antifreeze and all splash all over. We're gonna use this. I don't have the right funnel for radiator funnel, but I can use this. I'm just gonna have to hold it steady like that, so it's not gonna be splash all over. Let the air escape slowly. Okay, now we're gonna start the engine again.
Yeah, still normal.
Heat is on.
Yeah, heat is on.
Okay, now we're just gonna hold it. See the bubbles? So much bubbles. You see the bubbles? So the fan engine is hot, the fan is on. More bubbles coming. It's been about 10 minutes, but bubbles still keep coming. Let's check the heater, blower heater here. See, now this is barely warm, just a little bit. We put it on low, medium. This side same as this side. Before it was this side hot, this side cold. The driver side is hot, the passenger side is cold. Now both are the same. Okay, that means the heater core over there has a lot of air on it. So this is gonna take maybe another 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. We want to make sure no more air left at all. Now engine is normal, temperature is normal, it's hot, so it's good. And now this is still like little, I mean cold, not really hot, it's still cold both, because that means there's a lot of air inside the heater core. Let's check the bubbles again. More bubbles coming.
Yeah, so
Gonna press the gas a little bit. Press the gas a little bit. Watch there over there. See the bubbles? Okay, now we're gonna turn it off because this is going crazy over there. Okay, this is gonna wait. See the bubbles, so much bubbles still going. See that? Okay,
There's so much bubbles coming out. There's so much.
we're just gonna wait and give it a try again. Now this antifreeze low again,